If you were lucky enough to grow up in the South, you know the moment I'm talking about. You step into Mamaw's house, and before you can even shut the screen door behind you, you smell it. That golden, peppery, Sunday best aroma floating through the place like it owns the whole afternoon. You weren't thinking about your phone. You weren't thinking about your problems. You weren't thinking about tomorrow. You were thinking about that chicken. About that first crunchy bite. About the way Mamaw cooked with so much heart you could taste it. This is how she did it. Here's the first lesson Mamaw teaches us. Greatness doesn't come from complexity. It comes from care. She didn't use anything fancy. Just what she had. Just what worked. Ingredients. Chicken pieces. Thighs, legs, maybe wings. Buttermilk. Hot sauce, just a splash. Flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne. And the most important ingredient, time, patience, love. You can't rush fried chicken. Mamaw didn't, and neither will we. The first step is the soak. Mamaw would say, baby, let that chicken rest. You can't expect flavor to hurry just because you're hungry. So we take our chicken and drown it in buttermilk. A little hot sauce for soul. A little salt so it knows where it's going. Then we wait. In life, just like in cooking, most people want the shortcut. They skip the marinade. They skip the preparation. They want the success without the soak. But Mamaw knew better. Letting the chicken sit, that was where the magic started. You want tenderness? Let it soak. You want more from life? Learn to soak in the moment. Learn to prepare. Learn to be still. Here's where the flavor takes shape. Flour, salt, black pepper, more than you think. Paprika for that warm southern color, garlic powder, cayenne if you're feeling bold. Simple ingredients, but combine them with intention, and something powerful happens. This is the part of life where most people underestimate themselves. They think they need more talent, more resources, more everything. But Mamaw knew, it's not what you have, it's what you do with it. Now we take that buttermilk-soaked chicken and let it drip just a little. Then we bury it in flour, press it in, turn it, coat every corner like it deserves your full attention. Because commitment isn't halfway, it's full coverage. Mamaw would say, don't be scared to get your hands messy. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Life works the same way. Dreams require mess. Success requires commitment. If Mamaw had a throne, it was her cast iron skillet. And she knew exactly when that oil was ready. Not too cold, not too hot. Just right. Because if the oil isn't hot enough, your chicken absorbs the wrong things. If it's too hot, it burns before it becomes its best self. In life, you need to find the right temperature too. The right pressure, the right environment. Some heat is necessary. It transforms you. But too much, and you burn out. Mamaw knew balance before leadership books ever said the word. This is the moment. The moment every grandchild in the house waited for. The sizzle, the scent, the anticipation. Let it fry. Don't poke it. Don't rush it. Let time do what time does. Mamaw used to say, baby, if you flip it too soon, it'll fall apart. She wasn't just talking about chicken. How many dreams fall apart because they're flipped too early? How many goals fail because someone couldn't wait one more minute, one more day, one more season? Growth requires trust. Trust in the process. Trust in the time. Trust in yourself. When the edges turn golden, when the bubbles slow just a little, that's when you know. Perfection isn't rushed. It's earned. Once that chicken is perfect, crispy, golden, alive with flavor, there's one last step. Let it rest. Because even greatness needs a moment to settle. A moment to breathe. A moment to lock in everything it worked for. In life, you need rest too. Not quitting. Not giving up. Rest, so you can taste the victory when it comes. When Mamaw cooked fried chicken, she wasn't just feeding bodies. She was feeding hearts. Every sprinkle of pepper, every turn of the skillet, every quiet minute waiting was her way of saying, I love you. I'm here for you. You're worth the work. Maybe you're far from that kitchen now. Maybe Mamaw's been gone a long time, but her lessons remain. Take your time, do things right, give your best. Love people through your effort, and don't you dare rush greatness. So today, cook something slowly. Do something with intention. Try something the right way, not the fast way. Because whether you're in the kitchen or in your career, building the life you dream of. The truth is the same. The best things in life take time, take care, take heart. Just like Mamaw's fried chicken.